Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's non-technical point is uh, smart work versus hard work. Now, hard work nothing but typically refers to the efforts put in achieve a goal. It offers involving long hours, physiological exertion, and persistence. Hard work is about the amount of time and energy you put into a task or project. Now, smart work, uh, on the other hand, is about working efficiently and effectively to achieve the smart goal. It involves using strategies, planning, and priorities tasks to maximize productivity and minimize waste efforts. Smart work is about achieving more with less time and energy. In essence, hard work is important, but smart work can lead to a greater result with less efforts. It's about finding the most effective way in accomplishing our goal. Both smart work and hard work have their also advantages. The now uh, advantages of hard work: the building builds discipline and resilience. Hard work teach you the value of persistence and help you develop and the discipline needs to achieve your goal. Mastery of skill: putting in the hours to practice our work on something that leads to mastery of skill and expertise in our particular area. Sense of accomplishment: achieving something about sheer hard work can be incredibility satisfying and boost your self confidence. Now, some advantages of smart work is a simple way: the time efficiency. Smart work help you accomplish more in less time, allowing you to be more productive overall. Stress reduction: now smart work contains stress reduction by planning and prioritizing tasks. Smart work can help reduce stress and prevent stress. Better result: in smart work focuses on effectiveness, ensuring that result you achieve are higher quality than if you had just relied on hard works alone. Now, hard work is a very important for building characters and developing skills. Smart work can help you achieve your goal more efficiently and effectively. Combining both approaches can lead to the best outcomes. Here, some potential disadvantages be also in the hard work and smart work. Now, uh, tell about disadvantages of hard work. Risk of burnout: excessive hard work without proper rest can lead to physical and mental exhaustion, increasing the risk of burnout and depression. Also, the insufficiency: hard work alone does not guarantee success if the efforts is not directly toward the right of goal. Some hard work is not proper to our achieving the goals. Lack of work life balance: focusing slowly on hard work can lead to neglecting other important aspects of life, such as relationship and personal well-being. Now, some disadvantages also: smart work not get proper smart work in our daily life, overlooking important details in the percent of efficiency, there is a risk of overlooking important detail or aspects of task that may crucial for success. Lack of relying too heavily on smart work strategies may lead to a lack of perseverance when faced with challenges or setbacks. Potential for complacency. Achieving success throughout smart work may lead to complacency and reluctance to put in additional efforts when needed. Now, the smart work and hard work is the best key to the success or achieve our goal. Now, both the hard work and smart work have their drawbacks, and finding the right balance between the two key and the achieving long-term success. The the human can maintain the balance and equilibrium of the smart work and hard work. The simply means smart work is less equipment, less time to get achieve to get work achieve, and hard work means more equipment and more efforts and more time to get the achieve the goal. This is the hard work. The any person the life can success to long term goal that they contain similar way to smart work and hard work to achieve the and balance between the two works get success in our life. This is the smart work versus hard work. Thank you.